Hey, it's Richard. Just a quick video. Wanted to put a outboard engine stand together and took a quick trip to B&Q, as you see here. Here it is, just kind of mid build with a bit of a test fit. Super straightforward. Just the sack truck, McAllister sack truck from B&Q. Piece there of 38mm 140 wood and some hardware. So that was a quick test fit. Just had 2 bolts in there at that time. So finished it off here, 4 bolts holding it all together, and very straightforward. The sack truck itself was 25 pounds. I bought 6 feet of wood, comes in lengths, but that was 9 pounds, and it was less than a fiver for nuts and bolts. So all told, I would say if you've got some wood lying around, it's only 30 pounds. Otherwise, you could still put it together for probably less than 35 with an allowance for the wood. Very pleased with it, as you saw with the outboard on. Works great. I think the only improvement here is the fold down panel there on the floor. It gives it an extra footprint, but as it's a fold down, it's not secure. So I think some cross braces from the fold down piece back up to the verticals, but they need to be removable. But that's the next modification, I think, and it would give it a very solid footprint. So that's it. Hope that's of help. Very quick and easy. I didn't bother video doing it because it's just drilling 4 holes. So anyway, everybody take care and catch you out on the water.